If you want to get all the unique values in an array, then using the almost new function unique will help you get there. The function came out 2021, meaning that if you have an older version of Excel, you will not be able to use it. But otherwise, let me show you the unique function. Here we have data, and it goes to row 1001. The unique function is very easy to use. You just put in your array, which will be B2 to B1001. Or if the data is structured like a table, you can simply select the column. You see the arrow above the column letter here, and you will select the column. If you were to put even more rows underneath, those berries will also be put here with the unique function. And then press enter, and here you have the unique berries. You can also use it in multiple columns, let's say both berry and country. We will get all the unique berry and country together. So strawberry Mexico, blueberry Japan, raspberry USA. Before we end, I want to show you one more thing that I usually do with the unique function. You see here it's strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, cranberry. It's not in a very good order because the first unique berry that comes in the B column will be placed in the first order. So what I usually do is that before the unique function, I put a sort function, and the array that I want to sort will be this function here, and we don't need the other arguments if we don't want to, and we can just press enter. And now you can see that it's also in ascending order, meaning the first letter and then to the last letter. And hopefully you learned something in this video.